Are you a housewife who wants to earn money from home but not sure where to begin? Well, you're not alone. Thousands of women across India are creating their own income right from their kitchen table, using simple skills, the internet, and a little bit of creativity. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 practical, real, and beginner-friendly ways housewives can earn from home with zero to low investment. Let's get started. If you're good at a subject like math, English, or science, or even a hobby like singing or yoga, why not teach it online? Websites like Vedantu, Chegg, and Urban Pro are always looking for tutors. The best part? You can work flexible hours right from your living room. You could earn 300 to 1,000 rupees per hour, depending on what you teach. If you're comfortable speaking English and have a good internet connection, platforms like Cambly or Reply are great for teaching spoken English internationally. Do you make amazing food, sew beautiful clothes, or craft lovely gift items? You already have what you need to start a home business. From tiffin services to homemade pickles, tailoring, or even mehendi art, people are always looking for quality and personalized services. Use WhatsApp Business, Facebook Marketplace, or an Instagram business page to attract local customers. Don't underestimate your everyday skills. People love real content. If you enjoy cooking, parenting tips, DIY hacks, or makeup tutorials, share them on YouTube or Instagram. With consistency, you can earn through ads, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. There are moms who started filming recipes on their phones and now earn over 50,000 rupees a month just from ad revenue and sponsorships. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning without any investment. Apps like Meesho, Shop 101, and Glow Road allow you to sell clothes, accessories, and home items directly from suppliers. You earn commission on every sale. All you need is your phone and social media or WhatsApp contacts. Make a WhatsApp group for your catalog and post daily updates with product pictures. Do you love recommending your favorite products to friends? With affiliate marketing, you can get paid for it. Join programs like Amazon Associates or Flipkart Affiliate and share your product links on WhatsApp, blogs, or Instagram. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Recommend kitchen gadgets, skincare products, or saris, things you actually use and love. If you enjoy writing or sharing ideas, start a blog. You can write about parenting, cooking, spirituality, or saving money, whatever you're passionate about. Once your blog grows, you can earn from ads, sponsored posts, and even selling your own ebooks or courses. Free platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com, then move to a custom domain when you're ready. Are you good at drawing, painting, or taking beautiful photos? You can sell your art on Etsy, Instagram, or local WhatsApp groups, or upload your photos to stock sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and earn royalties. DIY home decor, wedding gifts, and customized paintings are in high demand. Handmade candles, soaps, scrunchies, crochet items, these are trending. People love unique handmade gifts. You can sell on Instagram, local shops, or even at exhibitions and fairs in your city. Good packaging and clear photos help a lot. Start small, take feedback, and grow step by step. Want something very light and casual to start with? Try online surveys and small microtasks. Sites like iSense, Swagbucks, and Taluna pay you for sharing your opinion, watching videos, or testing apps. It won't make you rich, but it's a simple way to earn a few thousand rupees a month while watching TV. Have a clear, confident voice? There's a growing demand for voiceover artists, especially in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, and other Indian languages. You can lend your voice to YouTube videos, online courses, or audiobooks. Sign up on platforms like Voices.com, Storytel India, or Fiverr. And there you have it. 10 ways to earn money from home as a housewife in India. Some need only your phone, some need a skill or a passion, but none require a fancy degree or a big investment. Tell me in the comments, which one are you going to try first? And if you already do something from home, I'd love to hear your story. Here are some additional tips for housewives looking to earn money from home. Consider freelance writing, graphic design, or even starting a small online store. The possibilities are endless. Let's look at some success stories of housewives who have made a significant income from home. These stories will inspire and motivate you to start your own journey. There are numerous resources and tools available online to help you get started. From online courses to business tools, make sure to utilize these resources to your advantage. Every journey has its challenges. Here are some tips on how to overcome common obstacles faced by housewives when starting their own business. First, time management is crucial. Break your day into manageable chunks and set achievable goals. Second, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's from family, friends, or online communities, support can make a huge difference. Finally, stay motivated by celebrating small wins. Each step forward is a step closer to your goal. Remember, perseverance is key. You've got this. Building a network and being part of a community can greatly enhance your chances of success. Join online forums, attend webinars, and connect with like-minded individuals. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable insights, and offer the support you need to keep going. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Surround yourself with a community that uplifts and inspires you. Together, we can achieve great things. Remember, the journey to earning money from home is unique for everyone. Stay persistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to take risks. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're more capable than you think.